Christian Science believes that there is no final judgment. So in case you were curious, and if you weren't, I don't blame you. Jehovah's Witness believes that most will have a second chance, and that is why those who reject this offer of salvation will be, in their book, annihilated. Wait, I might actually like that plan. Sorry, I don't. So basically what it's saying is there is no torment. If you do not accept the second chance, that is Jehovah's Witness, if you don't accept the second chance, this limited time offer for salvation, it'll be up on the screen for 5 minutes, you reject it, you're canceled, but actually you're annihilated. That's how that plan works. Mormonism states that all Mormons will be sentenced to eternal torment, along with Mormons who are judged worthy of entering. So that one doesn't make sense to me. So everybody suffers? Okay. I think I will pick door one, and I'm going for this element of surprise here.
To this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord.